Namaste everyone, this is Pooja
This is Nishchay.
and welcome to Movement Masters. So this video we just are discussing what we did the last couple of months. We traveled from Canada back home to Gujarat for the first time. From Canada. So yeah, we have came back home from US, but this is the first time we came back from Canada, and it was even more special because it was COVID. So we thought we'll just discuss, how our experience was. We also did a workshop, so just discussing what happened.
So yeah, it's been 2 months for me in Gujarat, India, and due to COVID, plans for cancelling, and we made some plan for Bombay, we made some plan for Delhi, and we have to be satisfied with Ahmedabad workshop only.
Yeah, we had a workshop, like it was really quickly. We had decided when we met the students here, the physiotherapy students here, that people were interested in a hands-on workshop. So within a couple of days, Nishchay and our team managed to come up with the workshop, the place, everything, and we had a workshop that was done for 2 days successfully in Ahmedabad before the COVID restrictions, the Omicron restrictions increased, and we had fun. Nishchay had fun. I was there virtually. I just came before like 2 or 3 days, so
it was not a traditional workshop like cupping or taping or those kind of workshop. It's like purely hands-on workshop, and it is lot of educational based information, how to handle a patient, how to educate your patients, and what are the possibilities of your career in Canada or US, basically in abroad. If you are in your final year or third year, or you wanted to settle down in any other country than India, so that was very informative information for all the students.
Yeah, and we were focusing on providing an overall idea. Let's say you graduate, how would you start your own setup, how would you talk to your patients, the interpersonal communication skills and stuff like that. I did a lot of discussions on how PCE and NPTE goes, how you should be preparing. We had few students who were from the third year, and it was really impressive to see that they are planning ahead of time, like what they want to do once they graduate. So it was fun. It was a lot of fun. There was fun, food, learning, laughter, and
a lot of dance and
Zumba and Garba and
everything.
What and all. So we had fun. We would share few snippets of those workshops as well. And Nishchay, how was your experience with Air India? Nishchay traveled from Air India, so his was a direct flight from Toronto to Delhi to Ahmedabad. So how was it?
So to be honest, it was horrible experience from Toronto to Delhi, because there was no guideline followed by the Air India staff. So everyone is doing whatever they want to do. Everyone is like walking in the plane. They are like clustered of 5 or 10 people in every corner, and they are just talking to each other and discussing few stuffs. There was no service given by any staff member, and the screen was not working for the movies or anything. So it was horrible experience if you like proper service based airlines, but it was fun for me. I like it.
Nishchay finds friends everywhere, and he had a group of friends on the plane as well. So they made friends. They had fun. Air India, usually we have mostly traveled in Air India, and we have pretty good experience so far. This is the first time we regret to say that it was not nice.
So Pooja came in Emirates.
I then fly. I was going to go through Air India, but then I made a choice that I'll not do that. I went through Emirates, and my experience was really nice. The staff was good. The restrictions were followed. They were keeping a seat or two empty so that you're not sitting too close to the next passenger. Everyone was really courteous. The plane was clean. So I came from Toronto to Dubai to Ahmedabad, and my flight experience was pretty decent. And I even this is the first time I went to the Dubai airport. And guys, if you're going to the airport and if you want to buy gold, go for it, because there's so many gold shops, and that's duty free. So, and if you don't buy too much, like if you just buy like 5, 10, 15, 20 grams. You don't even have to pay customs and stuff like that, not too much, at least not for India for sure. So yeah, if that's something that you are interested in, if you have saved money, you haven't been vacationing, and if you have saved some money, go invest in gold if you're going to Dubai.
So I also wanted to talk about Chai Pe Charcha. I did that for like 4 or 5 times in Gujarat. So it was nice experience. On the first time I was not sure what would happen, but many students has lot of doubts about Canada and US immigration system, PC and credentialing, and what course we should take or not. So it was fun. Like we usually posted for like half an hour, and it end up for like 2.5 hour. I would be there and answering all of them questions. And we also made a group on WhatsApps, that Chai Pe Charcha in Gujarat. So I already added all the participants in that group so they can help each other. So that's the main motto of Movement Masters. Students can help each other, and they can grow together.
Yeah, like, you know, a positive, healthy community where you can get support from your peers and, you know, just feel safe and go and ask questions. Those little questions that you don't know where to look for, come ask us. So that's what we have done. I'm still doing virtual consults. We had 2 today, and it was fun. I think the best part of starting Movement Masters was meeting interesting people. We meet such interesting individuals who are doing so much in their field, and you know, when we meet them, it feels good that, you know, there are people who are really the future of physiotherapy, both in India and abroad. So yeah.
They are motivated by Movement Masters, and we
are
getting
motivated
by them.
So it's a win-win situation for us all. And yeah, we are here. We'll be celebrating Uttarayan after a day or so. So yeah, happy Uttarayan to you guys. Stay safe. And if you have any questions, leave it in the YouTube comment section. Ask us on Instagram. I know we have a lot of comments that we have to respond to, so I'll get started on that. But
and we did fun in those 2 days on workshop with Dr. Utkarsh. So we'll share some footage or videos after this video.
Yeah, we'll have some workshop videos, so enjoy and take care, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.